Do you believe in a carbon-free future where we don't have to worry about climate change and where the next generation of EV cars will shape a new outlook? If the answer is yes, you might want to stick around to see what I got for you. So, the first reason why I see being NIO going really big in 2021 is the battery as a service plan. So, currently, when you buy a new car, let's say a Tesla, you have to buy the car and the battery as a whole. So, there's no going back and saying that I don't want the battery and I don't want something else. You have to buy everything at once, which is really expensive for a lot of people. So NIO has come up with a genius plan, in my opinion, and has been offering this battery as a service plan. So what this basically means is you can basically save around 10,000 US dollars by renting the car's battery instead of buying it. And by example, if you decide to buy a NIO EC6, which is currently going for $52,000, you only have to pay $42,000 because you are not paying the $10,000 up front. So, and by doing that, you can rent the battery by paying $150 a month, which is saving quite a lot of money up front. So, and the genius plan about all of this is that NIO is breaking even the first 36 months. So the first 3 years that you're owning the car, NIO isn't making any profit, but after those first 3 years, NIO is going to make a profit basically by renting the battery. So it's really genius. So the customers are saving a lot of cash up front, and NIO will making a lot of profit after the first initial 3 years, which is amazing. So, and looking at another positive from all of this is the battery degradation. So let's say that you are renting the battery and you decide to sell the car. Basically, your resale value of the car will be a lot higher because you're not selling someone else a degraded battery. So when they take over the car, they can put their own battery inside, like maybe choose the battery as a service plan or just buy a new battery and they're good to go. So everybody wins in this situation, which is really nice. So the second reason why I'm really interested in NIO going forward and why I'm really bullish as an investor is because they're backed by the Chinese government. Currently, the Chinese government has pledged over $1 billion US dollars to support NIO down the road, which is amazing. So also, another factor is a survey that they did on the people in China. So the survey showed that 54% of all customers that own a NIO car have at least recommended once the car to another person. So that means that they're really high in the recommending value. So compared to Tesla, which is only 52% currently. So, and at the third place, we have BMW, which is sitting at around 42% being recommended. So what does that mean? NIO is being recommended over Tesla and BMW while only selling 6,000 cars in a month. So basically, when I look at the December delivery numbers, NIO sold close to 6,000 cars, if I'm not mistaken. So that's nothing. Like 6,000 cars for the market of China is really nothing. And they're still being recommended over Tesla, which sells a lot more cars than NIO does currently. So that's also a very nice. So guys, thank you so much if you made it this far. I know it's been a lengthy video. It's been my first video on the channel, to be honest. So I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below. And also leave a comment down below why you think NIO will be really big going into the future. I really want to hear you guys' opinions about this because I'm a big believer in NIO and the EV company as a whole. So I will be covering NIO going forward. I will be making a lot more videos. I will be talking about their analytics. I will be talking about the charts and how I see them growing going forward. So if you want to see more about NIO and if you really believe in this company, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will keep you up to date. The third reason why I think NIO will be really good going forward is the battery swap technology. Like it's really insane. Like currently, NIO is the only company in the world capable of swapping the battery of the car in less than 3 minutes, guys. That's just really insane. Like when you think about it, when you go to a gas station for like your regular ICE car, like your internal combustion engine car, you're wasting more than 3 minutes to fill up the gasoline tank. So, and NIO is doing this. You get a brand new battery in less than 3 minutes. And also users do also have an option to signing up for different battery sizes. So, and the last couple of news, I saw that NIO is working to release a 150 kilowatt hour battery on NIO Day, which is the 9th of January. So, and also looking at battery swap stations, they have over 155 current battery swap stations across whole China. So, and that number is growing every single day, which is really nice. And the biggest advantage of this battery swap system is that you don't have to wait in line. So you can basically go to a swap station, get a brand new battery in less than 3 minutes, and be on your way. Compared to a Tesla, you have to wait like 2 hours. I don't know how much. I mean, I know that they have the fast charging right now, but it's gonna be a long wait, in my opinion, compared to NIO. 3 minutes, boom, you're gone. And also another thing, between 2014 and 2020 right now, NIO has completed over 500,000 successful battery swaps, which means that they really know what they're doing and that their technology is really mature and it's going to be a way better going into the future. And last but not least, the battery swap stations also check the car's internal components, and also they check the battery's life. So let's say that the battery has degraded indeed, they will swap a brand new battery. And they will take out the degraded battery out of the cycle. So let's say that another customer comes afterwards. They will not have that same degraded battery from the previous owner. And also, these battery swap stations take not a lot of space. So one battery swap station takes 3 parking slots. Guys, that's nothing. That's really small. And they also have a modularity design, so they can easily expand, make the battery swap stations bigger, let's say if they have the space for it, which is really good. The fourth reason why I like NIO going forward. So we talked about the battery as a service, and this one is really important. The fourth reason why I see it being really important is big institutions are holding NIO right now at the current moment. And the primary benefit of having institutional ownership is that their involvement is being seen as smart money. What I want to mean by that is that they know a lot more than us small investors. Like, we are small investors. We have, like, our investments are like a droplet inside of a lake compared to these big dogs. That's how they call them themselves, I think. And these portfolio managers of these big institutions have teams of analysts which are way more experienced than we are, and they will go in depth inside a company. Like, they could even have insiders information. Like, I'm pretty sure that they have some information that we don't know about. So having these big institutional companies having a lot of shares is a lot of, I mean, it gives us a lot of reassurance that we might be on a good track going forward. So right now I'm going to tell you which of the institutions are holding NIO currently. So the top 5 owners of NIO stock right now. So the first one is Baillie & Gifford Corporation. They currently have over 108 million NIO shares, which is astonishing. It's really high up there, and yeah, that's good. So the second one is BlackRock Fund Advisors. We all know BlackRock. They have a lot of fund advisors. Like, it's a big company, basically a big institution, and they have over 32 million shares currently. And I'm pretty sure that they're adding, like, I didn't check last time, but they are adding shares here and there, so that's good too. The third one is Vanguard Group. So we all know Vanguard. It's a really good institution. They have over 30 million shares currently. The fourth one is SSJ Funds Management. I'm not really sure. I'm not really known about that company, but they have over 20 million shares. So here we go. And the fifth one is Renaissance Technologies, which I'm aware of, and they have over 13 million shares. So going forward, this is really good for us small investors, because these institutions know what they're doing. At least I hope so. It's going to be good. I hope so. It's going to be good going forward. So the last reason why I think NIO will be really big going forward is their customer service, guys. So NIO is recommended by a lot of people inside of China who own a car. There is a reason why it's recommended above Tesla as a brand new company. because they have really good, excellent service. So currently they have roadside services, like let's say that you have a problem with your car down the road and you're stuck, you cannot go forward. They will basically send qualified NIO personnel to go fix your car. So they will basically take care of you. Once you're fixed, you can go. You are good to go. And they also offer lifetime free roadside assistance for every ES8 car owner. I know it's not for every single car out there, but if you own an ES6, this is basically included. And I'm pretty sure if you own another model like the EC6, you will have to pay a premium, I think, an extra package to get that service. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But it's basically lifetime free quality, like lifetime free road assistance, which is really nice going forward. And that's one of the things that, like, compared to other vehicle manufacturers, it's an extra. Not every car manufacturer offers lifetime free road assistance, which is really nice. So that was the last reason why I think NIO will be really big going forward. So guys, thank you so much if you made it this far. I know it's been a lengthy video. It's been my first video on the channel, to be honest. So I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below. And also leave a comment down below why you think NIO will be really big going into the future. I really want to hear you guys' opinions about this, because I'm a big believer in NIO and the EV company as a whole. So I will be covering NIO going forward. I will be making a lot more videos. I will be talking about their analytics. I will be talking about the charts and how I see them growing going forward. So if you want to see more about NIO, and if you really believe in this company, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will keep you up to date. So thank you very much and have a good day. Peace out.